The VR industry is currently in a state of absolute chaos. Right now, in 2026, the device you have strapped to your face is about to become a piece of history. For years, we've watched Mark Zuckerberg pour billions into reality labs, and for years, critics have called it a vanity project. But those critics just went silent. Internal memos leaked from Meta's headquarters in Menlo Park have revealed a roadmap that is as ambitious as it is terrifying. We are talking about Meta Quest 4. But here is the twist. It might not even be called a Quest anymore. Apple changed the game with spatial computing, and now Meta is about to end it. If you were thinking about buying a Quest 3 or waiting for a Vision Pro 2, stop. Everything is about to change. In this video, we are going into the shadows of Meta's labs. We have gathered data on the new Pismo architecture, the secret Puffin project, and the high-stakes gamble Meta is making to dominate your vision forever. This isn't just a headset update. This is the moment the digital and physical worlds finally, irreversibly collide. If you value your reality, you need to hear what's coming in the Meta Quest 4. Let's start with the design, because what Meta is doing here is a total departure from everything we've seen. Since the original Oculus Rift, VR headsets have been bricks on your face. They're heavy, they're front-heavy, and they give you VR face within 20 minutes. The Quest 4 is reportedly moving to a split compute architecture. Leaked C80 files show a headset that is nearly 40% thinner than the Quest 3. How? By moving the battery and the main processor to a separate, wearable puck. You might clip it to your belt or slide it into your pocket. By removing the weight from your neck, Meta is aiming for all-day wearability. This isn't just for gaming anymore. This is for your 9 to 5. But the real magic isn't in the weight. It's in the glass. The Quest 4 is rumored to feature super pancake optics with a resolution boost that hits the 3.2K per eye mark. While it's not quite the 4K of the Apple Vision Pro, Meta is doing something Apple didn't. 144 Hz refresh rates. For gamers in the US, this is the gold standard. Zero motion blur, zero nausea, just pure, fluid reality. And for the first time in the base Quest lineup, we are seeing the inclusion of eye tracking and face tracking as standard features. This isn't just for social avatars. This enables dynamic foveated rendering, which allows the headset to only render what you are looking at in full detail. This trick effectively triples the perceived power of the device without killing the battery. But here is where the story gets controversial. There are reports that Meta is considering ditching the Quest name entirely in favor of a Horizon branding to match their OS. Why? Because Zuckerberg wants you to stop thinking of this as a gaming console and start thinking of it as your next computer. In 2026, the Meta AI is integrated into every layer of the OS. The Quest 4 will reportedly feature always-on spatial awareness. It's not just looking for walls, it's identifying objects. Your headset will know where your keys are, what brand of shoes your friend is wearing, and it can overlay a virtual 100-inch screen onto any wall in your house instantly. Now, let's talk about the war with Apple. The Vision Pro 2 is out, and it's beautiful, but it's $3,500. Meta knows the American consumer. They know that in this economy, the sweet spot is the key to victory. Leaks suggest the Quest 4 will launch with two models, a standard version